Okay, so I have three areas that I'm going to consolidate. And that, and then these. So something kind of unexpected happened. I usually take my video camera downstairs with me and put it in a bag and hope no one notices. Well, Dad noticed a few days ago and he said, "Oh, is that your video camera?" I said, "Yeah," and let it go. And I just kind of sneak it out whenever I think that I have the chance. Well, I couldn't get him out of the kitchen. He's scrubbing down counters and stuff. So I was like, "Dad, I'm going to film this really quick. I'm just kind of pretending that what I'm doing is just sort of documenting for myself." But he was like, "Make sure you get all that dust on there. Make sure you get all that grime on there." He really wants details. So as per his request, here we go. And this is from the cat food and water and such. Shall I make a point? I really should have thought that through. These are the little cupboards. Took everything out, wiped them down, then divided sort of where cups and glasses went. And went ahead and did those two shelves, wiped them out. You can see we never really had a whole lot of seasonings. Here and then over here. These are cups that in general are used, and some antiques. Cups that we are not going to use and we sort of need permission to throw away. I'm sure that she'll think that they're useful, but they really don't have any practical purpose in the kitchen. We're talking about massive duplicates of very cheap plastic cups, but you know, they'll have either sentimental value or some reason to hold on to them. So we have to ask her about those.